Hello guys, my name is Pavitran. Today I'll be presenting about our problem-based assignment, which is a PUO Leisure Fun Walk 2026 mobile web application. Um, we will present our planning, design, development, and ethical consideration for this two-page mobile web application. Okay, let's start with our planning and value organization. Okay, planning and value organization. So who is our target users? Our target users are PO students who want to participate in campus wellness activities. Next will be our staffs and lecturers looking for a healthy leisure event. Third will be our public community members around Polytechnic Unkuama. For example, people around Taman Chupaka that goes for walks and so on. Okay, next will be our user needs. Based on our analysis, uh, our user needs easy registration process. Second will be smooth navigation between pages, clear feedback on form submission, um, and so on. Okay, for example, our users also need clear event information such as date, location, and the activities that we are going to do. Uh, what does it mean by easy registration process? It means that the registration process should be very easy without any complication steps. And also a mobile friendly design, since most users access from phones. Nowadays people access most of our links and websites through phones compared to laptops and personal computers. What is our prioritized values? Okay, our first value is simplicity, speed, and comfort. How jQuery addresses it? For simplicity, there shouldn't be any page reloads, which means the layout should be clean, easy to navigate. We don't have to reload any pages to make the page more clean, make the layout more clean. Next will be the speed, instant validation. Let's say we want to choose any event that we want to go for, we want to register for an event. It should go to the uh, submission form page easily, instantly, without any lags. Third will be comfort, smooth fade and slide transition. We added a smooth fade and slide transition when there's exchange in from the home page to the form submission page. Okay, that's all from me.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Praveen Raj. My metric number is 01 DIT 24F2071. First, for this section, I will explain the design decision made during the development of our mobile event registration application and the reason behind those decisions. First, we chose a responsive layout using Bootstrap. This allowed the application to automatically adjust to different screen size, providing a smooth experience on smartphone, tablets, and desktop. Second, we implement a simple and user-friendly navigation structure. This helps user quickly access important features such as event information and registration without confusion. Third, we use clear call to action button. Buttons such as register now are designed to be easily visible so user can complete tasks more efficiently. Fourth, we adopt a mobile first design approach. Since most user access application through mobile device, the interface was optimized for smaller screen to improve usability and accessibility. Fifth, we apply a concise color scheme and typography. This create a professional appearance, improve readability, and provides a better overall user experience. Finally, we include form validation in the registration form. This help prevent incorrect data entry and ensure that the information submitted by user is accurate and complete. Conclusion, those design decisions were made to improve usability, accessibility, visual appeal, and overall user satisfaction while using the application. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lawrence, and my metric number is 01DIT24F2069. So, this is our event information page for the PUO Leisure Fun Walk 2026 website. As you can see at the top, we have the event title together with the slogan Step Forward, Stay Healthy to give the users a clear introduction to the event. Moving down, we've included three main sections which are the scenic fun walk route, food stalls, and lucky draw. Instead of putting all of the information directly on the page, we've added a more info button for each section. So when the user clicks on it, a bootstrap model will pop up and display more details without leaving the page, making the experience more smoother and more interactive. Below that, we've included an image gallery to make the website look more attractive and to give users a better idea of what they can expect from the event. At the bottom of the page, there's also contact us section with phone, email, and SMS links so the users can easily get in touch with the organizers if they have any questions. Finally, we have the Register Now button, which takes users directly to the registration page. Overall, this page was built using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript to create a responsive, interactive, and user-friendly website that encouraged more people to participate in the event. Next, I'll be explaining about the registration page. This page is where participants can register for the PUO Leisure Fun Walk 2026 in a simple and convenient way. As you can see here, the form requires users to fill in their full name, email address, phone number, institution, and participant category. We kept the design clean and easy to understand so that users can complete the registration without any confusion. One of the main features of this page is the form validation. For example, if the users leave a required field empty or enters an invalid email, the system will immediately display an error message. The phone number field also only expects numeric values, which helps reduce invalid submission. Once all the information is entered correctly and the user clicks the Submit Registration button, the system will display a successful message together with the registration summary so that the user can review details that they have submitted. We've also included a back to event info button allowing users to return to the previous page easily. To make the website feel smoother and more interactive, we implemented page transition effects and event handling using JavaScript and jQuery. Overall, this registration page was developed using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and jQuery to provide a responsive, user-friendly, and efficient registration process while ensuring that all participant information is properly validated before submission. That is all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ishwar Sugunan. I'm from DITS 4. My matrix number is 01DIT24F2044. My job here is today is to explain to you the reflections and ethical justification based on our coding we did based on PO Leisure Walk 2026. Okay, so first one is usability. So what is usability is based on our code is based on simple navigation, clear sections, bootstrap card and buttons, mobile friendly interface. Okay, so as we can look here in the interface, we can see that the website contains cut bootstrap cards and also buttons for the user to use, and also a gallery for user can see on what the program is about. So as you can go to the program its website itself, you can see there is a card here, and if you click more info, you can get to know about the program's info, as well as you can see the gallery, and also you can access all these buttons. Okay, so that is what usability is about. Okay, so the next part is accessibility. Okay, now what is accessibility is what can user access from the website itself. Okay, from our website, it is you can access buttons which can help you to gain more information on the activity we are conducting, which is the leisure walk. So how can you get the information? Whether you can call us or email us or send SMS to gain information. Okay, now what is it in terms of IT is a way where you can access the data while having readable fonts or high contrast colors, clear form labels, and from this website it is called email and SMS links. Okay, so now if we jump to the website itself, okay, all we have to do is click register now, and we have a register page here which has our we have to fill up our name, our email, phone number, institutions, and also category. So this is how you're gonna access the buttons, okay, access the options that were given to the user by the programmer. Okay, so if you call us and email and send an SMS and so on. Okay, now for the third part is about uh, clarity and simplicity. Okay, now what is this is to give a clarification to the user on what is happening. Okay, now from here we took this as an inspiration to set it up in our registration form. Okay, now what we did is once you code in, once you entered your credentials to register into a program, it will show a small summary to the user on your behalf on your data, your phone number, and etc. Okay, so what is based on IT is minimal form fields only. Must have a clean layout, no unnecessary elements, and easy user flow. Technically, the term of simplicity is being using here. Okay, now if we jump to the website itself, we click register now. Okay, let's say I put my name as name is SHMAR, Ishwar, and I click some random email that I have here. Phone number, some random institution. Let's put PUO. And category, since I'm a student, I pick student. So if I submit it, and you can see here, registration successful. Thank you, Ishwar, for your registration has been received. A confirmation email will be sent to your registered email. Okay, now from the summary here, you can see my name, my email, my phone number, my institution, and my category based on my registration that I registered just now. So this is a summary for the user to see on what did they submitted. So let's say if they submit the wrong information so on, then they can check here, then they can resubmit it also. So this is to give a clarity to the user on what did they enter and so on. Okay, now for the final part, which is decision versus functionality. Okay, now what is sorry, not decision, design and functionality. Okay, now what is design and functionality is the layout, the interface's layout, whether it's colorful or is it hovering or so on. Okay, I'll get back to the hover into the real demo. Okay, now in IT terms, it's a hover effect for interaction, smooth transitions, form validation included, balanced UI and performance. Okay, now as you can see from the picture here, um, it's a picture stating that the cards hover and also the gallery hover. And here the hovering concept has been used in colors. When you can click the button or you bring a cursor to the button, the black font that is written close will be turned to white. Okay, now for the live demo, we'll go back to the website itself, go back to info. Okay, this is taken from this part, more info. Okay, if I hover this button, if I bring my cursor to here, you can see the black font changes to white. Okay, this is a hovering effect. You can see the button size expands a bit. Okay, this is also included in the hovering element. Okay, for the card itself, it's the same thing. Okay, when you bring your cursor here, it expands. So as for buttons here, it expands a bit, it brings it up and also darkens the color. So as for gallery, and for the contact us, email us, I did it in a link way. So when you bring the cursor, the color changes entirely. So it's indicating the user that it's their cursor is on that button or link at that moment right now. So for register, you can see a pop-out showing up to go to registration page, and also like the model pop out just now, the font color also changes here while popping out the message for the users. Okay, so that is my part. So now I'm going to finish it off this entire presentation with a clean conclusion. So the conclusion is the project developed a mobile-friendly web application for the PO Leisure Fun Walk 2026 with a focus on usability, accessibility, and simplicity. It provides a clear information and an easy registration process, resulting in a smooth user experience across devices. Okay, now as you can see, we did mention usability, accessibility, and simplicity. I just wanted to add the design versus functionality term to give a clear picture on what is our interface layout and design is all about. So that is all from me. Thank you so much.